After creating a new project and opening it, first step, set the stock size and machining origin. Here we set the stock as 40 by 60 by 10 millimeters and set the origin at the center of the top surface. Click the Import button to import the 3D model. The prepared model here has a height of 10 millimeters, which is just suitable. Just adjust the model to be centered. Next, select the tool. In Easel, relief machining uses two types of tools: flat end mill for roughing, ball end mill for finishing. Click the roughing tool, click Other, and directly set it as a 1.5 millimeter tool. Click the finishing tool. Here I want to use a 30 degree times 0.2 millimeter flat-pointed tool, so I'll customize it to 0.2 millimeters to try. Theoretically, there shouldn't be major issues. Let's check the actual effect later. Click Cut Settings and set the parameters for roughing and finishing respectively. Here I set them according to solid wood machining requirements. Once set, you can click to calculate the toolpath. After the calculation is complete, you can click Show Preview to check the actual machining effect. Easel automatically adds bridge tabs by default, which is quite nice. Finally, download the two toolpaths, respectively, and import them to the device via MaxmakeLAB for machining.